we might need to remove emitters from the system. This could be from a multitude of reasons. When gardens are first planted, they require more water while they're established, while the root systems get out into the ground where they can find water themselves. So often, as time goes on, root systems establish and we can start removing water from the system. It means we use less water in the garden, and often plants don't like too much water anyway, so once they're established, they can do their own thing. We can remove the drippers, so I'll show you how to do that. So here's an example of an emitter. It's on our system. We no longer need it. Maybe a plant has outgrown the space. We've removed it. We've had a bit of a garden shuffle. We don't need this emitter anymore. So first of all, we're going to carefully remove this emitter from the mainline pipe. So it might need a little bit of persuading, a bit of a wiggle, a bit of a pull. Out it comes. So to fix this hole, the easiest and cleanest way to do it is to use one of these plugs, which is designed to fit into the hole that this emitter has just come out of. So I'm going to remove this plug from here. I'm going to carefully place it onto the hole. Apply a little bit of pressure. You want to make sure that plug is in there nice and snug. And of course, unless you like getting wet, remember to turn your system off before you remove any of these, because water will spray out at a fairly high pressure.